from become CA second year. I am going to tell about infinitive and its uses. Infinitives are special form of verb that can be used as a noun, adjective, or verb. They are usually made by adding the word to before the base verb, and they can be useful when discussing actions without actually doing an action, such as I want to go home or to a resume. The infinitive form of user to English and many other languages, but the grammar rules or the infinitives can be tricky. In this guide, we explain all about different types of infinitives and how to use them, including clear infinitive examples, so you can see how they work. What is an infinitive and what is its function? Infinitives are form of words that allow the word or group of words to be used as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Every type of verb can be put into the infinitive form, even phrasal verbs. Usually, infinitives are formed by adding the word to before the base form of verb, as it in the C, but sometimes the base from the verb is used alone. We explain more in the next session. The purpose of infinitives is to discuss an action in general instead of specific instance of an action being done. For example, take a look at these two sentences. I need to win. Today we win. The first sentence uses the infinitive form of the verb with win as a noun. That the main verb sentence is actually need. The second sentence uses the standard form of win as the actionable verb. In the first sentence, with the infinitive action of winning is not actually done, the sentence simply discusses the idea of winning. The second sentence, however, describes the action of winning. What are the types of infinitives? There are two main types of infinitives: full infinitives or parallel infinitives. Below we explain when, how to use teach. Full infinitives, also known as two infinitives or more common infinitives in writing. You can create a full infinitive by taking a base form of verb and adding infinitive. For your example, the verb be, which is often conjugated to so, or we was there, etc., becomes the full infinitive to be a Shakespeare's famous example of from Hamlet. To be or not to be, full infinitives are used in following situations. 1. To show purpose or intention. Infinitives are used to explain why someone is doing something, often replacing the base in order to indicate the act. Adverbs to describe the main verb. Mom left by mine. I'm waiting the email to tell something important. Did you come to college to study or go to party? Unlike the adverb clause, an infinitive case used as an adverb does not need to active verb. Number 2. To modify nouns. Just like how full infinitives can add extra information about verbs, they can also modify the meaning of nouns in case they act as adjective and adjective phrases. We need to hero to save us. I would like something to drink. It was dumb thing to say and I regret it. 3. As a subject of sentence. If you want to talk about an action in general as the subject of the sentence, use the full infinitive form. To love someone requires patience and understanding. To go this way seems pointless. To unlearn is the highest form of learning. Thank you.